Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an upcoming meeting reminder on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and then click on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. And then you should tap on Settings down below and click on Meetings at the top. Then you should scroll down until you find the upcoming meeting reminder feature. So you are going to receive a desktop notification for the upcoming meetings. The reminder time can be configured in the Zoom desktop client. So tap on this button and then your setting will be updated. If you want to turn it off, just come back to this section and tap on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.